Argentina, a nation celebrated for its tantalizing tango rhythms, robust Malbec wines, and the enchanting tales of Eva Perón. But beneath the allure of its culture and the vastness of its terrains lies a mineral-rich secret that has recently caught the world's attention: lithium. This silvery white metal, vital for our digital age and pivotal for the future of green energy, is pushing Argentina to the forefront of the global stage. The nation's salt flats, spanning vast areas, are home to one of the world's largest reserves of this white gold. In recent times, Argentina has been making headlines for a wave of takeouts across the lithium landscape. Recently, adding to this flurry of activity was the audacious attempt by Tecpetrol to acquire Alpha Lithium. With a proposed offer price of $1.48 per share, the deal touches close to $315 million. And then just a week later, Stellantis made a splash, offering Argentina Lithium Energy Corp a $90 million investment for 20% of the company, when the market cap the previous day was nearly 30 million Canadian. Effectively, a $30 million company getting a $90 million investment at a valuation north of $500 million. In the midst of this lithium rush stands Lithium Chile, with its prime asset not in Chile, but in Argentina. The question on many minds is, could Lithium Chile be the next coveted prize in this Argentinian high-stakes game of lithium poker? Join us as we dive deeper into the story of Lithium Chile and its promising journey in the heart of South America's lithium triangle. Let's dive in. Let's start off with the recent history of lithium takeouts in Argentina. Now, this is kind of long, so I'm going to ask my editor to speed up my speech so we can get the point across as quickly as possible. Let's start off in 2017, which set the stage with NextView's acquisition of Lithium X, pouring in a sumptuous 265 million Canadian and signaling the start of an acquisition frenzy. Fast forward to April 2021, and a mega merger echoes in the corridors of the lithium industry. Galaxy Resources and Orocobre unite, bringing forth a massive US $3.1 billion deal. As autumn leaves begin to fall of 2021, August witnessed Ganfeng Lithium's compelling cash offer of 285 million euros, charming Bacanora Lithium into its grasp. The tempo didn't slow from there. September to December showcased Sibanye Stillwater's half acquisition of Ioneer's project for just under $500 million US, followed with Lithium America's $500 million Canadian acquisition of Millennial Lithium, and the Titan Rio Tinto laying down a hefty 825 million US for a prized lithium mine. And then came 2022, where we saw Zijin Mining's grand entry, acquiring Neo Lithium for just under $1 billion Canadian. August of the same year, we saw Ganfeng Lithium flex their strength again with a massive $962 million acquisition of Lithia Inc. And by the end of that year, we witnessed Lithium America's strategic $227 million acquisition of Arena Minerals. All right, editor, go back to my normal voice speed. So it's clear at this point, if you have a significant asset in Argentina, the majors are lurking. Now, Lithium Chile presents a unique and compelling narrative for situational investors. While the firm boasts of 13 lithium projects in total, 12 of those are scattered across Chile. The true crown jewel of their portfolio is tucked away in Argentina, the illustrious Arizaro project. This particular asset is not just another plot on a map. It's a treasure trove, amassing over 3 million indicated and inferred tons of lithium carbonate equivalent. A sneak peek into the company's recent PEA uncovers some revealing insights. It displays an impressive after-tax net present value of a staggering $1.1 billion. These numbers rest on the assumption of lithium carbonate prices hovering around the $21,000 per ton mark. Yet, you might be asking what makes Lithium Chile stand out as a tantalizing target for the industry's major players. It's their association with foreign giants, such as the investment they received from Chensing Lithium to the tune of nearly $35 million, with the bulk of that at a valuation premium of nearly 38%. However, as with all intricate tales, this association brought forth its own set of complexities. In a surprising move a year ago, Canada unfurled a policy that tightened the noose around foreign businesses having a stake in Canada's critical mineral sector. This move, driven by concerns around national security, led to the Canadian government asking 3 Chinese firms to relinquish their shares in various Canadian lithium outfits. The policy specifically targeted investments by nations that Canada perceived as non-like-minded, hinting at potential geopolitical underpinnings. The implications of this policy echoed in the corridors of the mining industry, with industry titans like Robert Friedland and Barrick CEO Mark Bristow expressing their reservations, fearing it might dent Canada's competitive edge in supplying battery metals. Not to mention that only 1% of the lithium in Canada came from Chile and Argentina, and all 3 cases were involving non-Canadian assets owned by companies domiciled in Canada. However, every cloud has a silver lining. This policy inadvertently bolstered the attractiveness of Canadian companies like Lithium Chile for outright takeovers, especially for projects located overseas. In an environment where minority investments are eyed with suspicion, complete acquisitions of robust lithium assets abroad have become the new norm. Now, for those looking at Lithium Chile trying to assess the value of the Air0 project, well, we have Alpha Lithium to thank for a nice comp chart that they put together for us to look at. Lithium Chile currently sits at around $140 million Canadian market cap, and they have a similar indicated and inferred resource to Alpha Lithium, who was recently offered around $315 million Canadian for their project. From looking at this comp chart, both Alpha investors and Lithium Chile investors are probably looking at Millennial Lithium, who sold to Lithium Americas for $400 million with around 4.9 million tons of measured, indicated, and inferred resource, and they're probably thinking maybe we should be focused on expanding and defining our resource so we can get a higher premium. Still though, Alpha shareholder Caravel Capital has come forward encouraging other shareholders to accept the offer. Now, at the time of filming, it still remains to be seen if Alpha investors will accept the offer from Tecpetrol. The world is transitioning, and it remains to be seen how close we are to major automakers flipping their switch to being majority electric. But we're getting close. And with that, the world's going to need more lithium. This can be seen by General Motors agreeing to invest $650 million into Lithium Americas, specifically to get an offtake in the Thacker Pass project. Still though, there is a lot of lithium in the world, but finding projects that can extract it from the ground and sold for economics that make sense is a challenge. Now, if you're looking at a name like Lithium Chile, expecting a 10x from here in the near term, you're probably looking at the wrong part of the risk curve, which I appreciate in such a difficult junior market. But based on recent comps, acquisitions, and investments in the lithium arena, this is clearly a name that has caught the attention of the majors. In fact, they've already hired advisors at PI Financial to help them explore exactly these types of options. So if you're looking for the next takeout target, this is a name you want to keep an eye on. The list of these types of names is short, and Lithium Chile could be taken out or have their major asset taken out at any point over the coming months. All right, everybody, thank you for watching. If you could do me a big favor, please hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Let me know what you think in the comment section. So guys, we just recently launched this channel and we noticed that 99.9% of our viewers are not subscribed. So if you enjoyed this video, we need your help in growing this channel. By subscribing, that would help us keep the lights on and make sure that our crews have jobs in these uncertain times. So please hit that subscribe button, and we promise to make more quality videos that I'm sure you're gonna love.